We're San Diego Pool Tile Cleaning. We'd like to show you our step-by-step process that provides the best results possible by using the most effective method available to clean your pool tile. Check it out. The first thing we do is secure your pool's equipment by placing it into the service mode. That will ensure the pumps don't come back on until the water's refilled. Next, we're going to move any furniture, potted plants, or anything else that's movable and close to the pool. That's going to help protect those items as well as make cleanup a little easier. Next, we will lower the water level below the surfaces we're cleaning. That will ensure our machines can reach all of those surfaces effectively. Now for the cleaning. Our process is media blasting. That is the safest, most effective way to clean pool tile without doing any damage. The media is determined by the surfaces that we're cleaning. In this video, it is a very delicate hand-painted tile, so we will be using a mineral-based media. Glass bead media would destroy this tile. Now for the fun part, the cleanup. We'll wash down the area, vacuum the spent media and calcium debris from your pool with our own equipment, so your pool's filtration system will see a minimal increase in contaminants. So that's it. Our process can take your tile from this to this. No buildup, no damage. We'll try to leave your yard just the way we found it. All you'll need to do is refill your pool and turn your equipment back on.